Introducing the Enforcer Kingpin Lock from Transport Security. The Kingpin Lock protects drop trailers from unauthorized hookups and theft. Made from solid cast steel alloy, it's bigger, tougher, and more heavy-duty than other trailer locks on the market. It was originally so heavy that we redesigned it to be 27% lighter, while still large enough to prevent it from fitting into a truck's fifth wheel. Portable and simple to install, just fit the lock over the kingpin and press the cylinder in place. Once secured, it cannot be removed by backing into it, effectively preventing a truck from connecting. Removal is just as quick and easy with the key. It features an Abloy cylinder built with disc technology specifically for the supply chain, ensuring rugged reliability in dirt, dust, and bad weather. Competitor locks that use springs and pins can freeze or jam. Abloy cylinders do not. Locks can be keyed different, keyed alike, or to a master system to meet the needs of your fleet, enabling multiple locks to operate with the same key. This simplifies operations and reduces key management, making it ideal for fleets, multiple drivers, or shippers frequently accessing locks. The Kingpin Lock is built to prevent cargo theft, protect your trailers, and secure your equipment. Since 1982, the Enforcer line from Transport Security has been the trusted choice of leading carriers and retailers. Backed by decades of proven performance, the Kingpin Lock sets the standard for strength and reliability.